Hi guys, in today's video I will be installing the closure portion of this custom unit, and in this video you will see the techniques I use to do so. I will be putting this video in fast forward because even in this speed you can actually see everything that I am trying to do. I am working with this 20-inch Malaysian straight closure, so guys, if you're interested, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, here you'll see me take my time and make sure the thread is not twisted and lined up. That is because you don't want to rush when you see that your thread is twisting, because what that will do, it will cause extra knotting, and then you have to get a whole nother piece of thread and start that portion over, or tie that one off and continue. So I do, as much as it look like I'm going fast because I have this sped up, I do take my time when it comes to moving any hairs out of the way, and also making sure that my thread is as straight as possible before getting the knot or that particular section to tighten up, because if not, it will cause knots. Yeah, so, and also putting the thread in and making sure that it's going in like a tie motion, like right now. That's how you get a secure loop. And honey, you can tug and pull as much as you want. That wig will not go anywhere. Those threads and those threading will definitely hold it secure in place. Okay, when stitching down the closure, I do go outward a tad bit. This just ensures that the closure is extremely secure, and also that there is no bumping and creasing in between. And if you are looking for one of those flat, seamlessly laid installs, this is a great technique. This is a 4x4 closure, and as you can see, she looks like a super deep 6x6 part because of how flat, laid, and beautiful. And that does matter when it comes to how you install. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next vid. Bye guys.